Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name's Ed, and in this video I wanted to demonstrate some of the PowerShell scripts that I've been creating, how to use them. They are on my blog, and I will put the blog in the description of the video. But have you ever found where, as an IT admin, Exchange admin, whichever admin you wanna call it, you have to generate passwords for accounts. So this could be a service account, application accounts, email accounts, etc. And sometimes the websites that you can generate from are either blocked because a lot of corporates block most of the internet to protect the business, or it's just a case where the tools on this just not available for you to use. So I thought put together a quick PowerShell script and it can generate a password for you. So I've already saved the PowerShell script and I'll go through it in a minute, but I wanted to show you what it does. So when you run the script, um, what it does is it actually creates a 12 character, 16 and 32-bit character password for you, uppercase, lowercase, number, special character, etc., which I find is actually quite useful because you can just copy and paste it from PowerShell and then you can go and enter it in the password for the service account, the application, or the email that you're creating. So if I open up PowerShell ISE and we go and have a look at the script. The script is pretty much straightforward. It's running with a function and it specifies the characters to use and then it randomly creates them. And if you wanted to change this to 48 or whatever number you desire, you can just come into the script that it is on my blog and you can change the number, save it, and then it'll generate a longer or a shorter character password. So if you don't want 12, you only want 8, you can generate that. So I just wanted to show you this is some of the stuff that I'm doing, creating these PowerShell scripts to make it easier for you to work with. And then at the end of the day, this is what you get out. If I run it again, just to show you, it'll generate a completely set of new passwords. They're not the same, so it will be randomized each and every single time. So hopefully it helps you. It definitely has helped me, and I look forward to showing you the next one. Thank you very much for watching.